Our Premier Louver shutters are injection molded in one piece of polypropylene. These shutters are 1 inch in depth, have an embossed wood grain appearance, authentic louver design, and elegant beaded details. They have UV additives that protect against fading and ensure that they're weather resistant, long lasting, and maintenance free. These standard size shutters are 15 inches wide and are available in 4-inch increments, from 35 inches to 71 inches in length. The hollowback design allows for the shutters to be lightweight but still proves to be sturdy. Their cathedral top and 50-50 configuration help to provide a truly authentic look. The color is through and through and available in our 7 most popular colors, plus a paintable polystyrene option. Color-coordinated vinyl spikes are included with our Premier Louver shutters. Painted head metal screws are available and sold separately. Whether you're looking for a finished look of your new home or trying to add some curb appeal to your current home, our Premier Louver shutters are a great choice at a great price. Perfect Shutters, your one-stop shop for, well, perfect shutters.